Welcome to the Vegas Vegan.
Let's go! Today we are making Reese's peanut butter cups. This recipe is dairy-free, gluten-free, and it's protein-packed. It's vegan. Without any further ado, let's veganize this.
Hit that like and hit that subscribe button.
Take these. These are allergy friendly and they taste so amazing. I've got my first pan full of water, got my second pan inside of here, and I'm just gonna get the pan hot. Enjoy life. They're vegan, they're allergen free. And I'm gonna dump the entire pack in there. See, they're already melting. Look at that. This way it's not gonna burn. Shut this off.
Next, after lining your muffin tin with the muffin tin papers, just fill them a quarter of the way. That way it's quick and easy to freeze. For the middle, I use a half a cup of Reese's peanut butter. And then I use about a quarter of a cup of powdered sugar. Now, if you don't want the powdered sugar and it's too sweet, just use cornstarch instead. You just need something to bind to the peanut butter to make it a little more stiff. And then add a tablespoon of vanilla. And voila, there is your middle. Just easy as that. Next, we're gonna take about a tablespoon of our Reese's peanut butter cup mixture, roll them into balls, and place them on top of the chilled chocolate. Then we're gonna melt more chocolate and pour it on top.
These are freezing cold. That's solid. Okay, so we're gonna put these in here.
So for this recipe, you only need 2 bags of the Enjoy Life chocolate chips. One for the top, one for the bottom. As you can see, I have a lot extra because I'm making fudge afterwards, but you only need 2 bags. With the back of your spoon, just smooth the tops out so they look professional. Now from this point, you can choose to leave your Reese's peanut butter cups plain as they originally are anyway, or you can do like me and take it over the top with a little bit of vegan holiday sprinkles. Either way, these taste better than the original thing. They're bigger, they're protein packed because of the peanut butter, they're gluten-free, they're dairy-free, they're vegan, and they make for the perfect cheat day snack. Subscribe. For all the customized items I wear on my show, I go to madebymydra.com. And to find out how I made these fabulous gluten-free potato chips, just click up top at my end screen and it'll take you right to my last video that I made on how to do this. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Vegas Vegan.